You guys, I know that there's some people who are not that fond of Uma Khumalo, Msilegu's third wife, and a lot of people say she's pretentious, she likes acting, don't a lot of things. But when I saw last week's episode of Izingane's Tembo of how Musa was praising Umpilo, and I was just thinking of how well-mannered Umpilo, well, most of them Silego children are well-mannered, but how she puts the right things first, which is school at the moment, you guys. And I thought to myself, guys, but we need to give Utobile her flowers, you guys, to raise a stepchild. Let me not even say a stepchild, to raise a child that is not yours, and knowing very well that you yourself cannot bear your own children and raise their child so well without ill treating them and all of that. I think it takes a lot from a woman, you guys. I know for some people it's like, yeah, she should be able to do that because there's tension. You must, love Ingan. But I'm thinking to myself, but not even only towards Impilo. Utobile loves everyone's children, regardless of how, like, she might be Nenganziga Mayeni. Um, she loves them. You must see how she gets along with Umnini. She loves those kids, you guys, even though they're not hers. So I think Utobile does deserve her flowers because, guys, she has contributed. She does have a hand to how Mpilo is and the way Mpilo turned out. I don't know which Mpilo ufike in Angaki by the Msinegu household, but I just know that she was young and she was not an infant, right? Um, but you know what? For her to treat the child so well and for Mpilo to turn out the way she does, I truly do think that it truly does have a hand. I feel like Makumalo has had a better influence in the child's life than Umusa himself. Because Musa has a tendency to gravitate. Musa loves these kids, don't get me wrong, you guys, but I think sometimes it is a natural thing to gravitate towards other kids more than others. And I know some people who are parents, they don't see it. But guys, in all honesty, whether, let me not say all, some, whether some parents admit it or not, parents do have their favorites. Or let me just say, parents love and relate to their children differently. Yeah, I think that's the best way. Parents relate and love their children differently because children are not the same. They have different personalities. But you can see with Umpilono Musa, they don't have that close bond. They are close, but I don't see them having that close bond. So I feel like Uma Kumalo really has been more present in that child's life than Umusa himself. So you know what, guys? All I want to say is Makumalo, well done. You know what? You are doing a great, fantastic work. We can klega you, we can judge you in other things, but you know what? In that Msilego household, out of all the wives, I don't even want to lie. She really does try her best, you guys. That woman, she does not put herself first. She puts the needs of her husband first. She puts the needs of her family first. And whichever way you want to look at it, but you guys, she really is making an impact in those children's lives. And all I want to say, Emma Kumalo, is well done. Your efforts and your work, I know they do not go unnoticed to your family, but we as the public, we notice it. And you know what? We appreciate you for it. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like this video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you at the next one.